Okay, this is it. It snowed last night. It's about 6 to 8 inches out of snow, and it's still snowing out here. So I have to get out there. I'm heading to work now. So this is it today in Maryland. A lot of snow. Yes, I'm going to drive my car. I didn't start to clean the road, so the car don't burn on at the gas. The truck is at my job. I leave it up there. So bad, but look at that. Snow clean. So then, see, and push off the road. Still time again. Slow down. here is a Delphi Road. So it look when it snow. The snow start from about 12 last night. So we have about 6 inches to 8 inches on the ground right now, and it do not stop yet. So you know, by later we'll probably have it's about 12 inches by later. I'm saying. So I'm heading to work right now. Go see what's going on. Make sure things straight. Let's go. I'll move this out of the way. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, so the road is looking good out there as far as I can see. And clear the road that, you know, people can get out to go to work, you know, towards Monday. So it's a business day, so you know, them clear the road and do a good job. Yeah, it's looks good out here. But I think the side street then is still blocked. The side street not get clear as well. Right now it's 28 degrees. So it's going to be cooler later on when, you know, get more snow down on the ground. Yeah. So let me show you guys from. It's coming down. The stoplight right here is University Boulevard, 193 East Maryland. Hope I don't get stuck. I'm coming down back heavy. So I'm going to head to Wawa. Get some coffee and then head to work. Still have to see normal hours, like, you know, no traffic, no snow. Take me up to 30 minutes or 32-35 minutes to go to work. Now it might will take me over an hour because of this snow. Yeah. So it's one lane that we just follow behind one person, so you know you cannot drive hard and you cannot in a no rush. You have to know to drive in the snow. You slide off the road, you have to know to mash your brakes too. No sudden brakes. You just have to know how to drive in the snow. A lot of people cannot drive in the snow because they do not love it. But each time it snows in America, because my job is maintenance, responsibility, facility. Make sure everything alright with the building and the property. I have to out there. So whether sunshine or rain, I have to out there. Whereas at a time like this, I've got to be at the property to make sure everything alright. If anything happen, then calling on me. To be out there. So it's a white January January 6th. It's white. Why that guy driving in that side of snow? Yes, white January we have here. So stay tuned, guys, as me take you along my journey from PG Mall here, in Prince George. This is PG County here, but I work in Montgomery County. So let's watch me on the journey heading to Rockville. So I'm on the local road right now. In a few minutes I will reach by the Wawa. Yeah. Over down step here. Over here. Over down step. Yeah, reach by the Wawa. And then from the Wawa to the Beltway 495. So my tank is full of gas. Since I buy this car here, you know, it's a hybrid, so I can afford to fully tank anytime I go to the gas station. It's a full tank of gas. So yeah. So pick up a little skid right here by moving off. Again, you have to have good tires to drive in the snow. The tire smooth, you're not going to work, you're going to slide a lot. And some people even have good tires and still are sliding. Like me, I want to go move on, pick up a slide. Next thing again, we're going to move on, you have to take your time. Yes, so this truck here turning, I'm guessing going to the Wawa. So guys, please be caution on the road. Take your time on this road. It's not easy. A lot of time I'm out there in the snow driving and so on, I see a lot of vehicles off the road, and these people, they don't learn. They're always like, you know, when they're on east and them east bring waste. Take your time. You gotta always slide out. If you're in a east and you slide off of the road, the east done. You have to be patient. We have to do. Be mad. Now you do. So yeah, so I'm heading in the Wawa right now. Get a cup of coffee. See the ground. Yeah, get a cup of coffee and hit the road again. Wawa parking lot used to be full, but it's empty. You can see, you know, inside the Wawa, the snow still coming down a lot. Going to get some coffee in the Wawa. Yeah. So, yeah. A lot of snow. Yeah. So I'm sitting in the Wawa. Yeah. Get some coffee here in the Wawa. Morning. I'm videoing myself here. Happy New Year. Getting some coffee here. So yeah. Right, so this is the wall. Side the stove, so there's a coffee over there. I'm getting a cup of coffee right now. Some sugar. So I'm going to get the 100% Colombia coffee. That's good. You can see snow. So this is a Wawa. This is a Wawa gas station. Yes, it's snowing here. So guys, I'm leaving the Wawa now. Just go get a cup of coffee. Heading out back on the street. So, the brave. The snow. These guys in the snow right here. We stuck here. As long as I reach on the belt here, I'll be okay. But here, be careful, you can get stuck anytime. So I have to follow the track of the wheel that passed through before. And then I have to follow the track of the wheel. Make sure not too deep. It's here. Yeah, people always have trouble to get up there. Let me see. You can't get up there, I'm going to turn back, but come on, let's see, up there. See? get up here and turn back. At least I'm going. Just take my time. See? I'm sliding, I'm gliding. I don't have any control over it if I move too fast. At least it take an experienced driver to get up here. There's a lot of vehicles stuck. Look up here. Look at this little grade. And a lot of them stuck up here. See? A lot of them stuck, and that down there so steep. See, a lot of them stuck right here. I don't have a shovel with me. Shovel in my truck. And look my vehicle stuck up here. So this is a road right here. Come on. So I'm right here stuck right now. The vehicle in front of me stuck, so got to wait until clear. Stay tuned. You can see a lot of people getting stuck on the street here. So we'll try to make it through. Snow all over. That white car right here is stuck, and anybody try to get around him get stuck too. So you need right there where the white car need to clean, or I have to turn back out. Yeah, this is what happen all the time in these local roads. This road here is identified. Stoplight coming up is New Hampshire Road. Then the beltway. We just say it's not an easy road. It's not an easy road. That's what we just said. Really is not an easy road right now. And this is my new car, the first I'm driving in this month. This is a 2020. There's a couple of truck is out there. tires right there. We'll pull them up. So them still there cleaning. See that the black SUV turn across the road. So if you cannot make it up, you have to go turn back down, go back where you coming from on the other side. So right there now you get skin. Guess the tire smooth too. And when the tire smooth, you're not going anywhere. As long as you get a skip, you're not going anywhere. You have to have like sand to chew, or you have to have a four-wheel drive car. A truck, there's nothing can stop it. Nothing. It have 4x4, it have low 4, it have high 4, it have all the 4 double up. So when I driving it, then time I don't worry myself. No, I'm worrying it because I'm in the car, so I'm very, very worried. But as an experienced driver, long time I'm doing it in the snow. So let me see if the car can manage to do without stop. It's a test run I'm giving it. Giving it a test run. So far, it's good. Yeah, so far it's good. Pause again. So I'll have to wait until that guy clear the road. This guy down here waiting. I don't know what he's waiting on. Right. I have to wait till that guy go up. After him go up now, then I try to make it. I do not want to go too near him to get stuck. So I'm going up now, so my turn to go up. Alright. Going up. Last one little bit. Okay. Alright. Make it. I made it. Made it. Grade right here. Go myself. Take this grade. It's supposed to be good. See that fan going up. See that van right here? Right. We'll try pass it. Okay. I'm in the road. Yeah, get over. Don't want to slow. good. Alright, so this is the 495 Beltway. See it? No traffic. Only a morning time here. Yeah, you have to just crawl. See? Got the road for myself. Got the road for myself. All we have to do, be caution, go through. So now we have to keep on this lane. See the snow crew on the other side cleaning. And you can see, I don't want this to fall, but the snow crew on the other side cleaning, coming up. Alright, so these guys here, now, them pushing it, right? So driving in middle lane. So these guys pushing it, right? And the least little mistake, they cannot correct themselves, but yet still I'm pushing it hard. Because if somebody pick up a skid in front of them and them supposed to draw brakes, the brakes cannot hold them, and they cannot control the vehicle. Yeah, but just, take your time and hold your lane. So you see the traffic over the other side coming up. As you can see, this traffic over the other side. So the cleaning crew in front of these traffic. So these traffic behind them, meantime they cleaning the road going. First time I'm doing the car in snow, because this is a car that 2024, so no snow come to the light. This is the first time. So far, yes, it passed. It passed, because once you stuck with me in the snow here, and this snow is not like 12 inches yet, and if this car is stuck on the road, that means that you'd have to return it and get something where you can make it if my truck not working. It can assist me this time to go to work while the road clean. A lot of people afraid to drive in snow, and they flip back the camera so you can zoom from them. I like to drive in the middle lane now, so I can capture the road good to my camera turn. As you guys can see, two sides. guys, this is I-495. This is I-495. Heading towards 270. We have a trailer truck coming. Yes, sir. Trailer passing me right now. Ooh, you see? I'm gonna try to show you. See much thing in push off. Yeah. I don't want to drive beside this trailer. Or standing run on something hard or tough ice. Yeah. Can break your glass. Truck reduce speed to 45 miles per hour. So, I'm showing you guys on the beltway. 495. Not too bad. I don't know where later going to bring, but almost make it to work. So my wiper freeze up, but I turn on my heat and my glass to keep the glass clean. Wiper freeze up. So the next half a mile, I'm going to head on 270 towards Frederick. See, behind this vehicle, but snow is coming down, but right now you can't drive beside anyone, because you know no one can slide. See this one, like a missing turn. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to exit from 495 onto 270 towards Frederick. As you can see out here right here now, no one on the street today. Most of the people staying. Look out here, 270. It is bad. You need to clean. I think them probably run through it 1 or 2 times. See right here, you have to be careful. You have to stay in this lane here where the wheel limb is. Because if you go right or left, you can get stuck. Right or left, you can get stuck. See those people out here, how slow them driving. Again, you have to know it. You have to know how to control your wheel in snow. So when you're going up the hill now and you're skidding, just hold your wheel straight. Just hold your steering straight and don't turn it unless you have to. And if you take you out there, a lot of people turn them steering, turn the wheel. When you turn the wheel, it ease up and a press, ease up and a press. No. Just shadow your gas pedal, one speed. And when you see it moving up, if you feel a little, you put on a little more on the gas pedal. So what? See snow coming back down this side here. We're almost in Rockville, Maryland. See snow coming back down this side. And these people driving slow in front of me. Some of these vehicles overtaking. Yeah, so I just want to play it cool. Just want to play it cool. So as you see down here. See down here, so this car here stuck. Right here stuck. Yeah. Have a vehicle over there stuck too. Over on the other side of the road they're stuck. So wreck up. So there we have some more. So over here you can see on the other side of the road over there. See, so over here, you see that light, police light. Yeah, a lot of people get stuck over there. Get stuck over there. So you can't make it. So, I'm heading to work. I'll pick up that one over there. Hope I make it. I have like I have about 4 mile lead. 4 mile lead to end up over there. It's great for me. Hope I make it. So that's nice. This road down here, so I guess them do not clean down here, so or if them clean it, then probably just run one time through this morning early. You see, the whole road covered again. Road is covered again. And praises. About 3 miles left to work. I'm gonna follow this guy here. Let him clean this side of the road here. Let me follow him. Look at the big highway 270. Look at it. No vehicle. Empty. Look at the big highway, 6 lane. The morning time when we coming, 6 lane out of traffic on this road here. Hundreds of vehicles. Look at it. Envy. You see, if we stay over the road, Big up Color Smith. I was watching Color Smith TV last night and I saw that he meeting stepfather. But it's a small world. You know, because me and that man there, Color Smith stepfather, worked at Washington Adventist Hospital for years. 10 years. I know that man down there when we working. And he used to be a good friend down there when we working. Reason all the while and see young to be his Color Smith stepfather. His wife is Color Smith mother. And I didn't know that, you know, but until I watched me and Color Smith come in Maryland last night. Right up the White Oak there. Adventist Hospital, you know, it's a small world. But anyhow, Color Smith, if you're watching this video, or anyone here watch this video, whenever time you come back to Maryland, just link up with Devon Lifestyle JA. And I have another channel named Louis Lifestyle in Maryland. Anyone you want link up with for free. Whenever time you come back this side. And I also going to check stepfather because you know where he works. So I go check with him and see if you can link up with him. Bless up, I'm glad to see him at the place, you know. You come and you visit Florida, you visit New York, visit Washington DC, you know, and them places. Well, me the writer say, you know, a couple of minutes from Washington DC. So whenever time you come back in at the place, link up Devon Lifestyle JA. Or Louis Lifestyle in Maryland. I'm out. Yeah. So far, going on good. For this video here, I'm going to the full story. How easy enough. Maybe take me 45 minutes to get to work. 45 minutes of the video I'm going to put down here today. Live and direct. See a snowplow right here, Paul. That's one of the snowplows. He is the one who's taking care of this road right here. So 270 local road right here. Over the other side is the express. So you have a car, a red car stuck over there on the express road. Turn sideways. Look like you have no way to go until the wrecker come and pull him out. Give thanks and praise. I'm one exit away to get off 270, I-270. My exit coming up, Montgomery Village. Jaw. Give thanks and praise every time. As long as God can carry you through this one. One bad move you make or one wrong move you make, money have to come out of your pocket, you know. And you have to pay a record with move you out, take you out, pull you out back on the street and then do it free. You have to come out of your pocket. Try don't get stuck. Nobody now help you America again. Nobody now come out of them car and come push your vehicle out of them street. Everybody drive around. They're not even a blow or ask if you're alright. Everybody just go around. You for your own. So if you don't have a credit card or you have money in your pocket, that me and my supper. You slide over the road, and if you leave your car there and think you're coming back from sea to make a sad mistake, the wrecker will move it and take it to some location parking lot or so. And guess what? You have to pay them to get back your car. So right here now, I'm going to exit right here. I'm going to exit right here onto Montgomery Village. See? Watch out. This man go around here so no one stop. So what's going on right here now? See? It don't make sense to go down there. Because if you go down there, you cannot reverse. It not even make no sense, man. It don't make sense. So this one go around there now and the girl. See? Just 2 minutes from her, this man had come on here and stop. And he must slide two sides. This car, Guardian Fire Protection vehicle. Stop. And then people are trying to get one. Yes, father. Another delay again. Another delay again. Just right when we reach at work. This guy, why this man not go around him? Move up and go around him, man. Where you stop for? Yeah, I don't know what you stop for. You are an investigator. I'm stuck. So I'm stuck. And this Guardian comes like this. I'm stuck. This one I try to come up right and hope you don't block the road. It makes sense to go each up behind them because I don't want to get to make them clear. But this one I reverse back now. Oh, I'm sorry, kid. So, let me go around. Go around him now. Alright, Guardian, man. You have to just barely press. You know, I press like you dip on the highway. I dip on here, so you press on it to get your chew. God will take your chew. God will take your chew. Tight, you know. Sometimes you feel like you're not gonna make it, but you make it. See me? Let me know if you drive me, put it on the dry part of the snow. And the dry part of the snow, take me around. See? A lot of people are get stuck. They're not supposed to get stuck. You know what I mean? Make it true. You have to be an experienced driver in the snow. Look here. Look here, sir. You don't know how to drive, you're stuck and you're sliding out the corner. You're still there. Look down here, son. Bank up. See? Bank up down here. A speed and a glide and a speed and a glide. Right there. Let's keep over there. Then bank up over there. Some of them turn sideways. Everybody bank up over there. Alright, so guys, almost there. guys later. Guess what? I'm not coming out back until this road is clean. No more chance. Look at this man now. Shit. This man have blocked the road. You have to turn. What the hell man go? Shit. Let me pause it for that man has something here. Man park right in the middle of the road where I have to turn. Sit and strong, I tell you boy. Sit and strong. Right? Alright. I'm in. So guess what? I'm in and thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I'm at work. Thank God. Please remember, like, share and subscribe. Devon Lifestyle JA. Big up.